Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how we can divide an angle to equal parts or to bisect an angle. First we have this point, create an arc, put the compass in right location, yes, draw an arc, okay. Then we have to create a line, bring a ruler and draw a line, yes. Another line we need, yes. Now we have to name these two intersection points. That's B, that's C. Now bring compass and put in the right location B or C. Yes, it's in B. Create an arc which its length or the radius of the arc higher than the half of the chord BC. Yes, and put the compass in point C. Create an arc intersect the previous arc. Yes. Now just we have to create a line. Okay. Bring pen. Let be green. Yes. Now we divided this angle. Now angle, let's name this point, let be D. Now angle BAD equal to angle DAC. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.